No, go. Hi guys, today we're going to eat now. This is siomai, my favorite. I love to eat siomai so much. I love it. It's like a piece of egg falling in my pants. Oh, siomai is like siopao, but oh my god, I look like the pan. Huh? I look like the pan because I said siomai and siopao. What? I look like Japan because I said siopao and siomai.
Brianna.
Well, thanks. Can I have my
Oh, wait. Go get a tissue.
baby?
Get the tissue out of your plate.
Papa, say hi.
Alright.
Baby. Baby, you're not even looking. Ah, her eyes are so beautiful.
Okay, wait lang.
Why does it smell like egg in here? It smells like they like egg in here. You are... What? That's not egg. Denamish!
Ouch.
She just looked and she didn't care. Yeah, so bye. Bye. See you in the next video.